Here is the next big fat hack. All right, Ben, you ready for this?
Mm-hmm.
Grab 2 cookies of equal size. Same size cookies, make them even. All right, bring them over here. Put one here. Now, what I want to do is we're going to insert a brownie into your cookie. So we want to make sure the cookie fits the brownie. So we're going to put the cookie on the brownie. Come zoom in on this. Come zoom in on this.
I did.
We're going to cut brownie in a circular motion around the cookie. All right. Now Ben's going to assemble the brownie and cookie sandwich. And he's going to take a bite. So we have a cookie brownie sandwich. You're welcome. There's your fat hack.